Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here from BillyParisi.com. It is full on holiday season and I'm gonna reinvent a classic and make a mashed potato stuffing. It's absolutely delicious and we're doing it in partnership with my friends over at Good Cook. I know mashed potato stuffing may sound a little bit crazy, but I promise once you eat it, you will never want to eat the regular old traditional stuffing ever again. It is so amazing and it's incredibly easy to make. To start off, we are gonna peel up some russet potatoes. Next, simply large dice, roughly chop, either one, totally fine, each potato. We're gonna put them in a bowl that's filled up with water. Once all the potatoes are done being prepped, we're gonna simply put them on the cooktop, on the burner, over medium-high heat. We're just gonna cook those until they're done. This is great timing though, because we can prepare everything else. So go ahead and drop a large saute pan right over medium heat. We're gonna add in some bulk loose pork sausage. And then to help break this up, one of my favorite things is the Good Cook meat chopper. It's got a little foot to help it rest on the countertop without touching it. I love the joystick handle. You can mash down with ease, with comfort. It won't slip and it perfectly breaks up the sausage. This is a game changer in our house because we love tacos. We use it all the time when using it for ground beef. You just want to chop it up until they're in little bite-sized pieces and completely cooked through. And then at this point, go ahead and set it to the side on a plate. Don't worry, we're going to come back to it. Put that pan back on the burner. We're next gonna add in some finely minced yellow onions. Next, some finely minced celery. All we wanna do is sort of sweat these in the leftover pork sausage fat. No need to add anything else. We're not trying to get a caramelization. Just wanna saute them until they're a little bit tender. Only gonna take 6 or 7 minutes. Now what we're gonna do is add in some ground dry sage, some ground dry thyme. Go ahead and add that cooked pork sausage back in. We're gonna mix this together until it's completely combined. Once it is there, go ahead and set it to the side. Let's go over and take a look at our potatoes. The best way for me to know that potatoes are done boiling is by simply sticking a fork in it, and if it slides right off, I'm good. Or if I just break it up a little bit with a fork, and it's very easy to do so, I'm in good shape. Go ahead and drain off the potatoes. I'm going over to a very large bowl. We're gonna add those in there. Go ahead and add in some butter, and then using the Good Cook hand masher, we are gonna mash up these potatoes. It's got a great joystick handle with a thumb rest. It makes it easy. It's non-slip and ergonomic, and hand mashers are great for all types of mash, not just potatoes. You could do sweet potato, you could use butternut squash mash, you name it, it's perfect. Leaves these little chunks. I love that. I don't like runny mashed potatoes. I like to have a little chunk in there. Now go ahead and add those sauteed vegetables and pork sausage right into that bowl. I'm gonna season it up with salt and pepper. And at this point, you guys, you have to try it. It is so dang delicious. You're gonna get a great idea of where we're going with this. It's amazing. But we gotta tighten it up so that it bakes perfectly in the oven. I'm gonna add in some breadcrumbs. Next, a little bit of flour, a few whisked eggs, and then go ahead and mix all of that together until it is completely combined. You have to make sure it is mixed in well. And then using the Good Cook Smart Scooper, I'm gonna go ahead and scoop a big heaping scoop right into a Good Cook heavy duty non-stick pan, which goes with the cupcake carrier. And we're gonna make these into single serving mashed potato stuffing muffins, so no more arguing at the dinner table on who's getting what. Once they are completely filled up, I like to simply add on some melted unsalted butter just to give it a little bit more love, a little bit more flavor. Next, we're going in the oven at 400 degrees for between 20 and 25 minutes. We just want to brown up that top a little bit, make sure the eggs are cooked, and then we are finished. Looks absolutely amazing, smells amazing. I'm just gonna garnish it off with a little bit of fresh chopped parsley. And to make these perfectly easy to take with you during the holidays, we're putting it right into the Good Cook cupcake carrier. It's double deck, so it's extra capacity, great for parties, and it's got a secure locking lid and a carrying handle, making it incredibly easy to take with you on the go. Absolutely love this recipe. You will impress all of your friends, guests, and family once they try this take on mashed potato stuffing. Can't wait to get into this. We'll see you next time.